what is up? It's Mark. Check this out. This, my friends, is a 2013 West Side, East Side. Nope, it's Mark's side. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ Z71 with a new setup on it. Check this out. It's a set of Moto Metal 992s, just came out. Brand new, hot off the press. For my buddies over at Wheel Pros, giving a shout out to Phillies. They're a set of 20 by 10 wheels, and they look kick-ass. They're black, gloss black, with a machined edging, wrapped in a set of 35, 12, 50, 20-inch tires, mud terrains. Let's go check it out. Super, super clean truck. Super clean, nice brand new setup, wheels and tires. It's got a zone lift kit on it. Check a peek underneath real quick. There we go. It's clean up underneath there. No rustiness. It's pretty. And the rest of the truck explains what it is, you know. Zone lift kit. And it, you know, we had to do a little bit of trimming on the front right here. Very, very minimal. But overall, it's, you know, it fits. So there you have it. Super clean truck. Rides great. Looks tough as hell. The tires barely stick out on the side right here. So with that said, you guys will like this setup, and I highly recommend it because they have a super aggressive look to them. You know, you get like the aluminum slash metal brushed crazy machined look to it, and on the same side you got your gloss black everywhere. So you got a mix of both worlds right here. I decided to go with the chrome lug nuts just to kind of offset a little bit, to kind of blend in the spokes and whatnot, but you guys can choose black lug nuts, whatever suits your needs. I think it looks great overall. And here's the truck as I'm previewing it with you, more accenting on the wheels than I am the truck. So we're gonna move forward, because that's what we're gonna do. And I think we just lock the keys in the truck, but oh well. But here we go. Ready? Remote start. The turn signals are incorporated into the mirrors. I love that part. And you can shut the truck off if you want with the remote start. Z71 LTZ backup camera, which is incorporated into the rear view mirror when you're backing up. And I'll shut it off. Ready? Boom, off. Show you guys the rest of the truck real quick so I can end this video and not keep it like a 30-minute video. I know you guys hate your 30-minute videos. What the hell am I doing? Do I unlock the damn thing or do I not? There we go, unlock. So there it is. There's the back seat, super clean and nice. Sunroof. No navigation, but you got this one has. Let me see. This one has. Come on, hurry up, guys! People are waiting on this video. Let's see. 104,609 miles on this. There's the backup camera. Ready? Boom! It's nice. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Time to turn the heat on because it's cold as hell in here. And the cool part is when you put this in reverse, the mirror goes down so you can see what you're about to run over. Like the Stupid Dog video. So there it is. And everything works great. It's got the beautiful brushed aluminum accents on the interior of this truck. You guys can check that out. It's like a nice brushed aluminum dash with, you know, fake black leather and real black leather seats. Full console. Because it's the LTZ, adjustable pedals, parking sensors, burnout button, traction control on or off. And that's why I chose these wheels, guys, because number one, I wanted to be new on the market. Heated seats, cooled seats. Number two, it just looks so nice. It's a very aggressive looking wheel, but it still doesn't compromise your turning. You know, so you can get away with a nice big off-road tire and wheel setup without having it jeopardize too much of your turning. So there it is, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this truck. Subscribe. This is Mark signing out with the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ Z71. She's pretty. She's wet. She's ready. It sounded dirty, but you know what I meant. I mean well. But peace out. And this is it. Hope you guys like it. 5.3 liter V8 engine. Clean as all hell. See you guys later. Subscribe. Notification. Peace out. A-Town.